Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. I'm going to show you how I made this delicious and easy to make vegetable stir fry. It was so good, healthy, something different because y'all, sometimes I get tired of meat and I just want some veggies, so let's get into it. These are the ingredients that you will need, but of course you could use the vegetables you prefer, but these are the ones I'm using today. Alright, so to my heated wok, I added a little oil, just a neutral oil, and I have scallions, onions, and garlic, and I'm going to saute this down for about 5 minutes. And, not too long. You don't want to burn the garlic. You just want it brown around the edges on the onions and scallions and, good to go. I'm on medium heat right now. So, you want to take it easy with the heat, child. Because, I'll be telling y'all to crank it, which you are going to have to crank it for this recipe, but not right now. So once I saute them down for 5 minutes, then I remove it from the skillet. Now, y'all, tell me why I decided to, try one of the sugar snap peas out the bag, because I've never had it. And I know somebody going to judge me because that's what y'all do. Y'all, I've been addicted since. I went and got like 2 more bags of them things and been eating them for lunch, like straight out the bag. Let me know if you like sugar snap peas below, and do you eat them raw? Like, do you enjoy eating them raw? So once I cranked my heat up first, I cranked it to high. Then I added the carrots down in here and some peppers down in here. What you don't want to do is overcook the veggies. So if you have the heat on medium, it's just going to slow down the cooking process, which will then overcook your vegetables before you get to the level that you want to get to. Like the crispiness around the edges, they're browned up, things like that. It'll be overcooked, and that's not what you want. However, I do realize a lot of people do not like semi-cooked broccoli. They like super soft broccoli, and that's fine. Go ahead and cook it longer, but that's not what this part is. I don't like smushy vegetables. So so now I'm gonna add the broccoli down in here. Remember, high heat, you guys. If it's one thing broccoli will ruin your dish. Honey, broccoli is full of liquid. It will ruin any dish, honey, okay? I added my sugar snap peas, and now I'm just gonna saute this entire thing down for about 3 minutes. Next, I'm going to add some sesame oil down in here and stir that up. As you can see, it's smoke. Look at that carrot, that piece of carrot. That lets you know my stove is high. I'm on high heat, okay? Then you want to add the onions, the garlic, and scallions back down in here. And now we're going to add our quote sauce. So you want to sprinkle in down in here some low sodium soy sauce, like a 5 or 7 turns around the pan. You want to add your hot honey, about 3 twirls around the pan. Then I'm going to add my habanero sauce, hot sauce down in here. If you have sriracha, that will be perfect. Didn't have it, so I use Scotch Bonnet hot pepper sauce. And then you want to mix this up. You want to taste one of your veggies. If it's delicious to you, then you're good to go. If you want to add more, go ahead. But remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. However, this is pretty much done. That's it. That's how easy and simple it was. Once you add all the ingredients, your sauce ingredients, turn off the heat. Okay? You ain't see no liquid in my pan, right? Okay. All right. So look how beautiful, delicious, colorful. It's giving fall. No, it's not. It's actually giving spring. But it's so good. It's delicious. It's easy to make. Healthy, quote. And yeah, so this was great. It was like enough for like 2 or 3 days. It was just me. And this is what I had. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. If you make this recipe, tag me. Let me know what you think. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.